you guys, and welcome back to my channel. And today's video is going to be a declutter and organize video. We are super excited.
I want to tell somebody else.
Yeah.
I want to tell somebody.
You can tell them. What are we going to declutter today?
Clean my room.
We're going to declutter your toys and your clothes. Yeah, that's what we're going to be doing today. Hopefully we can get around to the clothes because she does have a lot of new toys and new clothes. And usually right before Christmas I like to do this, but life got in the way. I'm actually doing it now after Christmas, which is totally fine because it's a good start to the new year. The new year is in a couple of days. So before we get started, I'm definitely going to show you guys kind of what her room looks like right now because we are in transition to doing like a whole revamp of her bedroom. She got like a new bed, a big girl bed.
Yay.
So if you guys enjoy these types of videos, please consider subscribing because I have a lot of organizing and declutter videos coming for you for the new year. I like to do that every year, and I also have like a playlist down below that has a bunch of old declutter videos from last year, but of course I've learned a lot more and kind of learned my own technique and things that I like to do and not do and stuff like that. So it'll be a little bit more a fresh style than last year. Let's go ahead and get started.
Bye!
So I'm going to be completely real and honest with you. This place is a mess. So first off, this is the new bed that Ava got. We got this from my in-laws and we currently do not have a box spring. So after I film this video, I am going to be going to get a box spring, new bedding, a new rug because this one's just old and grimy. She's had it since she was a tiny baby. And then maybe some new pieces of decor on her wall and stuff like that. And then this is also her new dresser. Sadly, it came like this, which I'm going to have to touch up on paint. They're not really cooperating at the company on anything, being that this is how it arrived. It's a beautiful dresser. I love it, and it matches the style of the bed frame. Before we had the dresser, this was full of her toys and clothes, and it just didn't work. Now it just has all of her toys, and it needs to be decluttered, and then also a bunch of junk in here that we need to go through because she's not going to keep everything.
Let's go.
You want to donate that one?
Yeah.
Donate goes in the middle.
Okay.
So donate. Now what about this?
This donut.
Okay, donate right there.
All right, guys, so what we're doing here is we actually split up 3 groups. We did one that was trash, one that's donate, and then the far right side is keep. So that is what we're doing here to kind of decide on what we're going to keep and what we're going to get rid of. Really happy that Ava participated so well in this. She really did a good job on deciding what she wanted to keep, things that she loves and uses, and then things that she doesn't really play with anymore and was willing to donate to another kid. So there are a couple of items that we did keep based off of sentimental reasons, maybe like her first book, definitely like the Christmas books we kept, even though we only read them once a year, and a couple stuffed animals that were sentimental that she might not really pick up on a regular basis, but she's had since she was a baby.
Just coming out here to look for Ava, and I realized that she's disappeared. And is that her?
I'm not. I'm not.
Where's Ava?
So before we moved her cubes, I went ahead and vacuumed the floor just so we have a nice clean slate. I used the Lavender Mrs. Meyer's multi-surface cleaner to clean off the cubes, and oh my gosh, it reminded me of spring. I am so excited to bring some of those scents back into our home. And a lot of you guys asked me about my vacuum cleaner. It is the Shark Navigator Professional, and I actually have a link down in my description box to my Amazon favorites where I keep my vacuum cleaner and a lot of other things that I use in there. I did decide to move this lamp just because I didn't think it was very safe behind her bed. And then Ava wanted to show you guys this picture because it is a picture of me and her dad. So my whole goal was to have only enough toys to fill up these 6 cubes. So anything that didn't fit in there, there were a couple of items towards the end, but those are things that just wouldn't fit inside of there. So I thought we did a really good job because we didn't even fill up the cubes to the top. So I felt like we really decluttered a lot. Show you what we did real quick with the drawers. Ava, do you want to come see? In this drawer, we have all of her books and color books and everything like that. So all of your doctor stuff are in here. I don't usually let her keep 2 of things, but she loves Doc McStuffin and playing like doctor, so at least she can like use it with a friend or something like that. And then this bottom drawer here is all of her costumes and like any kind of like mask or gloves and fun stuff that she uses, aprons for her kitchen or ice cream truck. These are all her action figures and baby dolls, or Barbie dolls or whatever. And then these Barbie dolls, like accessories. She doesn't have that many, so that's all in there. In this drawer right here is all of her like train track parts, Minnie Mouse, Lego house. Down here in the bottom drawer is all of your kitchen stuff. So the microwave, some kitchen toys, foods, utensils and tools, and then her chef hat. So that's all down right there. Do you like it?
Yeah.
And then now in here, instead of having both her kitchen and ice cream truck, she just has the ice cream truck right there. And then here's the dresser for now. We're not going to do the clothes today, as you've seen, just because we've spent so many hours doing the toys. And I will get to the clothes and film that in another video for you guys. So this is how the room looks like afterwards. Super spacious and cleaned up. All right, so I forgot some of Ava's Christmas toys, but because I am going to be decluttering the top of her closet where a lot of her old clothes are, I'm probably going to store like all of her new games up there, just in this little thing right here. She just got these 3 new board games for Christmas. But we'll leave them there for now. And then all of this stuff is being donated. It's like a huge box full of toys, this grocery basket, the kitchen. I wasn't sure about the kitchen just because that handle right there is broke. But everything else, that actually 2 handles, that handle and that handle. So I wasn't sure if we should trash it or donate it. But I mean, I don't know. I really don't know. So we're going to go ahead and donate that, and then that bag of toys. So we actually have a lot of stuff that is in good condition that we're donating. And then over here is all of the trash. This is a big thing of trash right here. And then this rug, I would donate it, but it just seems so grimy to me. Like that bottom has all that yellow So I'd rather just trash it.
So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this declutter and organize video. I had a lot of fun doing it. It was a lot of work, and I had my big helper, Ava. If you guys have any other tips or tricks to share with our family down in the comments, just go ahead and leave those. I always love that, kind of helping each other out in the community. So anyway, I love you guys. Let me know if you're excited for more decluttering and organizing videos. Let me know down below. Give me a like if you enjoyed this video. Subscribe if you're new, and I will see you guys all in my next video. Bye.